welcome back to the series of complex numbers in Python. From the start we have advanced a lot and today we have to apply what we learned in the previous video, which is the modulus and argument of a complex number. Now to remember the theory, for a complex number x plus iy, the modulus is root of x square plus y square. So here the x and y are replaced by a and b, but in case of argument we can determine that directly because uh, uh, the function tan inverse cannot be determined directly like that. So we have to use the available math module in Python, and in Python there are in the math module there are two functions to determine the tan inverse. From here we are using the a tan 2 because it has a higher range and it can determine the modulus in a better way. And if you haven't noticed already that we are not using a function this time, because the modulus or argument of a complex number is an inherent property of that complex number. Suppose we have a complex number z1, then it will have a modulus or argument. So we are not making a function to determine that complex numbers modulus or argument. And especially when in Python we treat the complex number like more like an object and less like a number. So the argument or modulus, I think it should be more like a property or a value stored within the object. Now as we have made some complex numbers and wrote the code, let's check what kind of result we get. Now you can check or calculate by yourself to see how the code is working, if it is accurate or not. If anything is wrong, please let me know in the comments. Please note the values, and for now let's try some more complex numbers and see how the code is working, if it is working properly or not. Also remember to note that the values we are getting, the results, are in radians. So if you are calculating in degrees, remember to convert them into radians. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See you in the next. Keep watching and take care.